What kind of career do you do? Make this good.
I'm a mechanic, but it's hard to do what I do.
You cannot find a job as a mechanic?
Yes, Your Judge.
What type of mechanic are you?
I work on mechanical bulls. It's not very easy.
All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1002, Green versus Green.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Green, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
All right, everyone, buckle in. Today, we've got a guy who fixes mechanical bulls trying to squeeze child support from the parent who actually takes care of the kids. Yep, you heard right. He got divorced, ditched his job, and now wants his ex to fund him. This one's a ride. Stay with me.
I don't have any of my paperwork with me, but basically I need to get child support. I don't have a job right now. Elle's working, but now that we're separated, I recently filed for divorce. So I can't support the kids when they're over at our place. And honestly, it'd be great if I could get a little bit of child support to take care of the kids.
So let me get this straight. You guys are married. You filed for divorce.
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am.
And you're seeking child support from her?
Yes, that's correct, Your Judge.
Who does these children live with?
The kids live
right here. Man openly says he didn't even bring his documents. Just walks into court like, I need cash. Sir, this is a courtroom, not a charity page. If you were the judge, what would you have done?
me, Your Honor.
They're also at my place on the weekdays.
On weekends. They come see you on weekends, okay?
Weekends.
Okay. Weekends. So you're a non-custodial parent?
No, Your Judge.
Excuse me?
I said, no, Your Judge.
No, you're a non-custodial parent, which means that she should receive the child support benefit, not you.
See, I'm honestly new to this whole thing. I'm not sure how it's supposed to work. I just know that.
Did you hear that? He's swearing he's not the non-custodial parent. Meanwhile, the kids don't even live with him. Bro's out here trying to remix custody rules like it's a board game. You can't just deny the truth.
You know, I'm currently, if I don't have a job right now, I can't take care of the kids when they come over. I mean, I can barely afford.
Wait a minute.
I barely afford to keep myself in an apartment.
You have common sense though, right?
I'd like to think my mama gave me common sense. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so then you should understand that if the children are living with her, and just because you're unemployed, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't be paying her child support if the children live with her.
Yes.
Your Judge, how am I supposed to pay? Like, how am I supposed to take care of the kids? If
you're supposed to get a job. Exactly. Get a job.
Then the judge hits him with plain logic. Being broke doesn't magically qualify you for child support. She spells it out. Get employed, and wait till you hear his excuse. It's unbelievable.
Wait for it.
I'm a mechanic, but it's hard to do what I do.
You cannot find a job as a mechanic?
Yes, Your Judge.
What type of mechanic are you?
I work on mechanical bulls. It's not very easy for me to get work because right now there's just not a lot of bulls needing in the wintertime. It just doesn't happen.
Okay.
So right now I
can find something else, right?
That's what I keep telling him, but he's very picky about the job.
Well, and I have to explain to her all the time that all mechanical items.
His whole profession? Mechanical bulls. He claims he can't find work because bulls don't buck in winter. So Bro blamed the rodeo off season and expected a payout. Make it make sense.
Aren't the same, all right? Like, I can't just work on a car because I wasn't trained that way. I went to school. Like, I don't have the opportunity.
Oh, it's getting better. You went to school, so you have a skill set, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can use it for something other than mechanical bulls.
Yes,
correct?
like supporting your kids.
Is that right? Is it yes or no? I don't need all the extra.
Yes, I went to school, but no, it doesn't apply.
You know what?
It doesn't.
You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, ma'am, I didn't. I just want to take care of my kids, and I can't do that if I don't make money.
Take care of your kids? You're going to go get another job. And even if you don't get another job.
Judge explains. Mechanics can work anywhere. But he fires back. Bulls and cars are totally different. Technically, he's right. But your kids still gotta eat. Judge is doing her best not to burst out laughing. This is peak courtroom comedy.
What's going to happen today, you're going to be ordered to pay her child support. And it looks like you just stopped working in July.
Yes, I did. I did quit in July right before I filed for divorce.
You quit in July right before you filed for divorce because you felt like you wouldn't have to pay child support. You really thought that she was going to pay it to you.
Maybe I'll throw myself on the mercy of the floor of the court here, honestly, because I thought that when you are separated from a loved one and you have kids, you're supposed to pay.
Hold up. He quit his gig right before filing for divorce. The judge clocked that fast. Oh no, honey. You thought if you had no job, you wouldn't know anything. Nah, that's some next level money game nonsense.
Child support. That's what I was told. My daddy paid child support. I know how it works.
Oh,
I'm just saying,
obviously
I thought she would pay because how much? If
Okay,
if kids are gonna be with me, I can't feed them goldfish. I can't pay
Texas
for.
Workforce Commission.
Now he acts clueless, throwing out lines like, I just want to look after my kids, but didn't even bother to hold down work. The judge ain't falling for it. And neither are we. Be honest, what would you decide?
So this is what we're going to do. I have from that $45,600, I have your gross at $3,800. Excuse me. What's going on here? I'm making my ruling and you are speaking to someone else that is not a party to this case. Who is that?
Just a friend trying to help me out.
Okay, well, obviously, sir, you're going to come up here and...
Now, the numbers drop $945 every month. He looks shocked like he's never seen bills before. Judge even tells him to grab a Snickers. He's going to need that snack to handle this news.
Help him pay child support?
Wait,
okay, thanks.
You're judge, am I paying child support? I can't afford. If I'm asking for child support, how can I pay it?
How? After you listen to me, and I tell you what the amount is. So your gross is $3,800, which brings your net to $3,112.11. Yes, grab a Snickers because you're going to be here a minute. Health insurance reimbursement to mom is $167. So based on that, I have your total child support monthly obligation of $945.03.
He really thought he'd walk away with a payday. I came here for money. Buddy, this ain't deal or no deal, it's family court. Congrats. You just landed yourself a support payment instead.
That's to be paid every month.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Do you understand?
No, I don't understand because I thought I came in here to receive money, ma'am.
You thought wrong and I just gave you my ruling. So any other questions?
I have no questions. I'm good with this.
Okay. All right. If there's nothing further, did you have something else?
He always has something else.
Okay.
So he walks out with no handout, a brand new court order, and a parting tip from the judge. Go back to the bar and ride that bull. Pure courtroom madness. If this cracked you up too, drop your thoughts below. Smash that like button and subscribe for more courtroom chaos.